NDP beamforming. This is the base for multi-user MIMO. Okay, so we'll understand the flow of how NDP beamforming works here. The device which is trying to do beamforming is called a beam former. The device with which the beamforming is happening is called the beamformee. So beamforming happens from beamformer to beamformee always. Okay. Usually is done by the AP. AP forms a beam to the client, but it can happen vice versa as well, because now clients do support beamforming, NDP beamforming. So how this works is, the first step is the beamformer sends an NDP announcement to the beamforming, letting it know that okay, I am going to take control of this channel now. Second, the beamformee sends an ACK saying okay, go ahead. In the third step, hang on, let me do this. Let me add another page and then go back to this page. Doesn't work. Let me add one more page and then anyway, so the beamformee then sends an acknowledgement. In the third step, when the beamformee sends an acknowledgement, the third step is the beamformer sends a null data packet towards the beamformee. The beamformee then checks the null data packet and checks the training field in that. Once it checks the training field, it sends a response. That response is called the feedback matrix. After getting the feedback matrix, the beamformer checks the feedback matrix and uses that to calculate. It calculates the steering matrix and uses that to direct transmissions towards the beamforming. So this is the process of NDP beamforming. Think of it this way. I owe you $1,000. Okay. Now I am the beamformer, you are the beamforming. If I have to give you $1,000, I have to first announce and tell you that okay, I'm going to give you $1,000. You say, cool, that's okay. In the third step, I will send you $1 by post first, just to check if it is received well or not. I will not risk sending $1,000 together. I will send you $1 first by post, just to check if the path it took and somebody who brings it to you is reliable or not. Then I send you $1, you check that $1 and then give me a feedback saying, okay, I received that $1 just fine. I get that feedback from you that you received that $1. In the third step, you send me the feedback. In the fourth step, I get that feedback from you and then I calculate the steering matrix, which means now I know how to send you the remaining $999. I will use that feedback which you sent me and then send you a new post with the entire $999. Okay, that's how a beamformer and a beamformee, they work together and do NDP beamforming. This is the base for multi-user MIMO. And since we discussed about all the advantages of .11 AC, I want to tell you that in .11 AC, we are able to go all the way up to 3.4 Gbps of traffic or Gbps of data rate in 160 megahertz of channel width. So the maximum data rate that you can touch is 3.466 Gbps, I think, around that, 3.466. And that is massive when you compare it with .11n, where we got approximately 600 Mbps. Okay, so this is all about .11 AC. I think in the next video we will cover the concepts of .11 AX. That is a bonus video for you. In the next, I think it will be the 10th chapter for this particular course, and you will be able to learn about .11 AX as well in that. So see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.